Okay, here we are. So, out for a ride. That's the English Channel. Currently in Eastbourne, heading up to Beachy Head. I managed to finish work slightly early, just grab some nice weather because winter's just on its way out, so just taking what I can. And this is my 2010 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic, new to me. I bought a few months ago, did a light restoration over the winter, done a few little modifications and testing that out. One of those is this. I added that because the original was too high and I couldn't see over it when it was dirty. Then your screen gets dirty a lot in the UK, and I had a bit of buffet, so I've added this, and this is the first ride, and it's brilliant actually. It's really helped. It's good on the dual carriageways. I've mounted it very slightly wonky though, so it's doing my OCD a world of good, and I need to move that. Then the other thing I'm testing is this camera microphone, which is a Drift, type end, very bumpy, Drift Ghost XL, and I've just upgraded from the Drift Stealth 2, and the main reason being, two reasons: battery life, and I've managed to mount the mic into my helmet, so hopefully you can hear me talking and you can hear the engine, where for years I've been putting up with a microphone on the old one and you couldn't hear anything at all, just wind. So I'm heading up to Beachy Head, which is on the potholed roads of Sussex. One of my favourite roads, despite the bumps and the lumps and all the bits of road falling away. Cracks in the road, look at the state of it. So this road's about half an hour from where I live. I ride it all the time. And it was the road used in Quadrophenia when all the scooters come down to Brighton. And they go, look, Brighton, which is that view right there? But it's not Brighton, it's Eastbourne. But this is the actual road used in the movie. Very, very bumpy, but still quite a lot of fun. Cold up here and a bit blowy. Run, Forrest, run! Big holes. Whoa! Just missed them. It's why you pay your road tax though, isn't it? You pay your road tax, I would have thought, partly to maintain the roads. I just think it's tax. I don't think it's anything to do with the roads. Because they're shocking, look at this. Oof. See, one good thing about the Electra Glide is it's so bloody heavy. It doesn't get affected by the bumps quite as much as like a sports bike, which is just have you flying out the seat all the time. So I wasn't sure if I would get on with the weight of this, but I've had a few decent rides on it. Now what's he doing in the middle of the road? Hello. and I've really got used to it. You feel the weight when you're pushing it around and trying to get it in and out of the garage. Once you're on the move, it's bloody good. And with my lady on the back, you can't even feel she's on it. But she's a very good passenger, and she always leans in the right direction. Yeah, that's a bit slick. Yeah, there's a bit of ground frost there, that was a bit slippy. In fact, that looks very slippy. I don't know if the camera's showing that, but it's white. Easy. And when I got this, it had the original tyres on, so, you know, 14 years old. Oh my god, they were scary. You just had no feeling in them whatsoever, and it just felt like you were going to fall over all the time. So, as part of its makeover, I put a new set of Michelin, I can't remember what they were called. They're called, but they got Michelin something 3s, and they're built for big heavy cruisers, and they are brilliant. Lots of grip and lots of feel. Not like before. I'm saying that, I'll probably now stack it on this white stuff. Please don't. Just a bit of off-camber slippiness. Yay. I'm really looking forward to doing some touring and long rides on this year. This has replaced my previous long-term tourer, which was a Honda VFR 1200X Cross Tourer, which was a hell of a beast. Really powerful, really comfortable, absolutely brilliant for touring, and then it died. The ECU went, and it was so expensive to fix, it was beyond financial sense. So I sold it as a non-runner to a Polish fella who chucked it in the back of a van and drove off with it to Warsaw. Oh, stones in the road. Oh, it's a shitty road surface. Surprisingly though, considering it's just about rush hour, there's nobody else stupid enough to be on this road in the cold, on the bumps. God. Oh god, that mud, nice, it's beautiful. Oh look. Strange. Oh, gravel. Pothole. Tight bend. Gravel in the middle. Oh, and a manhole cover. Alright, and a slippy bit. More gravel. What did I say about liking this road? It's actually a pile of shit. Bloody hell. Holes, hey! More holes. Big holes. Otherwise we'll do this road at night. I wouldn't think, you just wouldn't see the holes until you smash right through them. And then your wheels fall off. Big one. Another one. Oh my god, there's loads of them. Hey, right through the middle. Look at that. Can't look for too long in case I smash into a hole. Pretty, isn't it? Oh, traffic. There's always a traffic jam here. These roadworks have been here for about 50 years. No exaggeration. But you can make a good jump once you see that there's no more cars coming. And this bike is huge. It's got, I don't know if you see in the mirror, it's got huge top box panniers. Sticks out a long way, so you need a lot of space. You can still do it. There we go, I'll have that one, thank you. Now we've got to crawl up the hill really slow because of all the vans. So I might turn off through Alfriston, which is very pretty. I know a guitar picker who lives up this road. He's not just a guitar picker, he can sing as well. Actually no road surface here at all. Dog's on the lead. South Downs National Park. Bumpy. Muddy. No. Alright. Got the white stuff again right on the top of the hill. Slippy potholes. Oh my god, this might have a motocrosser. This road's awful. Jesus. Now that's one thing my old bike, the Cross Tourer, was good for, is really crappy roads. Oh, it's crap in the road. Thank you for the horses. The horses crap in the road. Usually on a bend, but that one I could see. I don't know if you've ever experienced going through horseshit on a motorbike. It's terrifying, especially on a corner. Oh yeah, go on. Wow, that was sketchy. KTM. Around the weird flipping roundabout thing. I don't know what that's for. Alright, more bumps. Right, almost at the end of the ride. Roads are getting really busy now, right in the middle of rush hour. So, Darren from Ray's Guitars, I hope you enjoyed coming from a ride with me over the road, Beachy Head Road, used in the movie Quadrophenia. See you soon.